Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay with Ellie and Mac Sewing Patterns. Today I want to share something exciting with you. Recently, IndieStitch subscription box that features independent sewing pattern designers featured one of my patterns in their box, and I was so honored. So IndieStitch decided to use the Jessica T pattern. That's one of my favorite patterns because even though it's a basic t-shirt, I just love the way it fits me. I feel like it flatters my body and I always feel good when I wear it, even though it's just a t-shirt. So they agreed and wanted to share it with their whole customer base, so the Jessica T pattern is in here. So let's take a look. The first thing you get is the card. This is actually Jessica, she's on our team. This tells you how to download the pattern so that you always have it, and then it tells like what's inside. It tells about what their next pattern is. This is just nice. I think it looks really professional. Next you get your fabric. On the card there were 6 colors and I got hot pink, which is perfect because I love pink. It tells you what it is. Next, if you look, it's like getting a present. I mean, who doesn't love presents, right? And then next you see you get a bracelet, which I love because it says sewist. So I feel like you could wear that and maybe it'll spark some conversations. Maybe you'll meet some other sewing friends. So that's pretty exciting. Then you get the matching thread and the needle. Then you get something fun. So this is the scissor sharpener, which I thought was excellent because my blades need it really bad. Lastly, you get the A0 printed file. And go ahead and cut out your size or blend your sizes and grade. And then when you're done using it, if you need a different size, you can just download the pattern that you get with this box and print it out again or project it or however you want to use the pattern. So I'm just gonna go wash my fabric and then I'll take you along on the sewing journey. Come along.
Once all your pieces are sewn, sew the shoulders, the side seams, the sleeves, and then hem the bottom. Now you're ready to try it on. My IndieStitch box was fantastic. Check them out at IndieStitch.com.